These children are learning to cope with trauma and anxiety after earthquakes and aftershocks hit Turkey, leaving tens of thousands of people dead. 4-year-old Umut and his family moved to a tent as they were worried about the safety of their building in the city of Adana.
We are afraid, so afraid. My son, my children, so afraid. Then we don't go. We stay there. It is very cold. The weather is very cold. We sleep here. Two family.
A support group called Hands of Angels was formed after the earthquakes to focus on caring for children. It has 100 members, mostly child development specialists and teachers. They look after families staying in these tents and distribute food and clothing.
Çocuklarımızla oyunlar oynayarak, onlara duygularını ifade ettirerek, şarkılar söyleterek, resimler yaptırarak, alternatif gelişimsel destekler sunarak onlara yardımcı olmaya çalışıyoruz bu süreçte.
When the group started, they were looking after as many as 124 children. The group's founder says some of them were traumatized and would talk unconsciously about earthquakes, death, destruction, poverty or loss of a parent.
Bunlarla ilgili tabii oyun içerisinde o an evet seni anlıyorum, haklısın bu çok üzücü bir şey şeklinde diyalog kurarak onlarla sonra yaşamın yani oyunun olağan bir yaşamı şu an olan sürecinde oyun oynamamız, şu an oyun zamanı olduğunu anlatarak tekrar oyuna geçiş yapmaya yani mümkün mertebe kafalarını dağıtmaya, resetlemeye çalıştım.
In Turkey, 4.6 million children were living in the 10 provinces hit by the quakes on February 6th, according to UNICEF. The extent of the trauma is enormous. Some have been pulled from rubble after hours and days in the cold and darkness. Some have lost family members, and others have seen their neighborhoods reduced to rubble. Doctors say the long-term mental health effects can only be understood with time as children process trauma in different ways.